Are you looking for the best Samsung tablets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Samsung tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. If you are hesitant to spend money on the latest Galaxy Tab S8 series, consider the Tab S7 models instead. We especially like the Tab S7 Plus. The main difference between it and the smaller S7 is its size and display, which features an amazing 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display versus an 11-inch LCD on the S7. This 12.4-inch screen has a resolution of 2800 by 1752 pixels and a super-fast 120Hz refresh rate, as well as HDR10+ support. In other words, whatever you watch on the S7 Plus looks stunning, and you'll find it difficult to tear yourself away from its screen. It also has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which also powers the Samsung Galaxy S20, and either 6GB or 8GB of RAM, so you won't have any trouble running the latest apps and games. You'll also get 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of internal storage, and if you have a microSD card handy, you can expand your storage even further and download pretty much anything you want. The 10,090 mAh battery provides 2 days of medium to heavy use, and the Tab is 45W fast charging compatible, though a 45W charger is required. The audio on the tablet is almost as good as the visuals. Its 4 speakers are sufficiently loud, with vocals and speech sounding especially clear. It also has a dual-lens rear camera with a 13MP main lens and a 5MP ultra-wide lens, the main lens of which can record 4K video at 30 frames per second. Meanwhile, the 8MP front camera will allow you to take decent selfies and video chat without any issues. Another nice touch is that the tablet includes the S Pen stylus, which magnetically attaches to the tablet and charges wirelessly. It interacts with the tablet's screen intuitively and will appeal to note-takers, creatives, and professionals alike. One criticism is that the software experience isn't as smooth or seamless as you'd expect from a new tablet. Although it lacks wireless charging, it is an impressively capable tablet. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. You get a stunning 12.4-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1752 by 2800. This is ideal for both binge-watching your favorite shows and making presentations for work. It's also small and portable, so you can take it with you and work from anywhere. But don't let the attractive display and small size fool you into thinking it's unsuitable for hard work. This one packs a punch. It features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 128GB or 256GB of storage, and microSD card slots for future capacity expansion. This makes it suitable for almost any type of work. The Galaxy S8 Plus has your back whether you're editing videos on the go or typing up an article on the fly. It has 8GB of RAM and a 10,090 mAh battery that will keep you going for 2 days unless you're gaming or working on large files all day. You also get a variety of connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C, which makes it versatile. You get 3 cameras, a 13-megapixel wide lens, a 6MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP front camera for all the cool selfies you want to take, although we're not sure if a tablet is the best device for photography. You can get far better photos and angles from a smartphone. However, if you decide to take the tablet to work, the camera is excellent for video conferencing and document scanning. The few drawbacks stem from software issues, which have plagued several Samsung Galaxy and other brands' tablet models. Another issue is that the keyboard case must be purchased separately, which can significantly increase your budget, which is already stretched with this $800 tablet. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Consider the S6 Lite if you enjoy doing a variety of things on your tablet but don't want to break the bank with a $500 plus model. It's a stripped-down version of the Tab S6, but it's also less expensive while doing the job. It has a 10.4-inch LCD display and slim bezels, as well as Dolby Atmos surround sound. This is plenty for a movie night or binge watching all of the lectures the day before your exam. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack for listening to music when things get too stressful. The tablet includes the S Pen stylus, which allows you to quickly take notes or doodle when you're bored in class. It's also lightweight and portable, so you can throw it in your backpack and start studying or working wherever you want. Given the device's low price, the 64/128 GB storage is adequate for students. You also get a decent 7040 mAh battery that will last you several hours with normal use. Given its Exynos 9611 chipset, this isn't the best tablet for heavy gaming or multitasking, but it's more than adequate for reading documents, writing, browsing the internet, using social media platforms, and texting friends.